You can ace every lead code hard problem, build clean React apps, and write flawless backend code. But the moment a senior engineer asks you, how would you design a system to handle 1 million concurrent chat messages? Everything just stalls. Most system design materials online is either a dry 500-page textbook or a corporate slide deck that puts you to sleep. So hey, my name is Anubhav and I'm a senior software developer, and welcome to DevNotes.io. So I'm launching a brand new no-nonsense system design series built specially for developers who wants to bridge that gap between writing codes and building planetary scale architecture. No academic fluff, no overwhelming theory. Just the code building blocks you actually need for real-world production and system design. So over this series, we will be breaking down the entire engineering stack piece by piece. We will start with networking and protocols to understand how data actually moves. We will also do load balancing, API gateway, and consistent hashing. We will also deep dive into database sharding, replication, and caching strategies that prevent server from caching under heavy traffic. We will also decode heavy theories like gap theorem into a practical everyday trade-off. And at the very end, we will also design some real-world applications one by one to better understand how to think, where to start, and what to use while building a large. So whether you are preparing for upcoming senior interviews or trying to scale your own startup, this series is your shortcut. But I can guarantee you one thing. After this course, you will never get confused about how to approach a system design interview. So if you find this helpful, like the video, share it with your friends who is preparing for a system design interview, and subscribe to the channel for more practical software engineering content. And see you in the next one.